In today's dollar stroke crypto arbitrage opportunity, you are going to make ranging from 50k to 100k on a daily basis. If only you are going to follow this simple step I'm going to lay down in today's video. All right, so I would want you to stay tuned as I take you step by step. What's up, beautiful people? Now, in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline business and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So do it to join our family, all right, by smashing that subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you that is here to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and smash that subscription button. Yes, click on that subscription button, and after clicking on the subscription button, I would want you to do something for me. I would want you to turn on that bell notification beside that subscription button. Yes, that bell notification beside that subscription, what it does when you turn it on is to always notify you anytime we drop or some content just like this one you are watching. Okay, now I would want to use this opportunity to say welcome back to my returning subscribers. Yes, I want to appreciate your always coming back to this channel each time you get notified of a new video. I want to tell you that I don't take it for granted. All right, now I believe you have subscribed to the channel if you are yet to subscribe, and I believe you have also liked this video, because the value you are going to get in today's video is going to be awesome. Right now, I believe you've subscribed to the channel and I believe you've liked this video, so let's quickly rush into this video. Now, on your browser, I would want you to type top 10 forex platform. All right, so once you search for top 10 forex platform, you're going to get list of forex trading platforms. All right, you just have to scroll down and make a choice. Okay, just scroll down and select a particular one. So once you must have chosen the particular platform you will be making use of in this arbitrage, what I would want you to look at for is if the platform has transfer option in it. If the platform has transfer option in it, that is beautiful. That is the first step I want you to do. Then I want you to inform the second person you will be engaging in this arbitrage with to also check if he or she has access of that particular platform you've chosen, to know if they have access of that particular platform in their place where he or she is staying. Okay, if the person has access to the platform, then you are good to go to this arbitrage. Now, the second thing I want you to do is to get registered. Now, I'm going to make use of a particular platform, all right, for the sake of this video, so I wouldn't want it to take time. Let me show you the platform we'll be making use of in today's arbitrage. Stay tuned, guys. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to be making use of this platform called Grand Capital. All right, that is the platform we are going to be making use of. So the next thing I want you to do, or I want both of you that is going to engage in this arbitrage to do, is to get registered. Right now, I would want you to click over here to get registered. All right, the registration is very simple. It's going to ask you for your legal first name and last name, then probably your email address. Right now, I've registered to this platform, so I don't have to go the process of registration. I just have to quickly log into my account in order to show you how you can be able to make a whole lot of money in this arbitrage. So let me quickly log into my account, so we'll proceed. This is my account. Okay, now the next thing I would want you to do after you must have registered in this platform, the next thing I want you to do is to click on deposits over here. Right, click on deposits. Now, if you are yet to like this video, I want you to smash that like button, because I promise you are going to get a whole lot of value in today's video. Right, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you are still up until now yet to subscribe to the channel, do it to join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button. Let's go, guys. And the next thing you have to do is to click on deposit in order to deposit money for this arbitrage. Right now, let's go, guys. Now, once you must have clicked on deposit, you are going to see different method of payment. All right, different ways of which you can be able to deposit in this arbitrage in this platform. Now, we have card method of depositing. All right, now over here is transfer method of depositing money in this platform. Right, yes, so what I would recommend is for you to use transfer method, because in other arbitrage people do complain about the card they are making use of, whether they have limits of that card. So this platform offers you transfer method, and when you are being offered transfer method, that means you can be able to do as many transfer as possible into this platform. Right now, this time around, you don't have to worry about your card limit, so I recommend you use transfer method. All right, now, even if you don't want to make use of transfer, there are still several other ways you can be able to make deposit into this platform. We have AstroPay, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and a whole lot of them. Right now, let me quickly click on transfer. All right, I wouldn't want this video to take time, but before transferring into this platform, I would want you to check the exchange rate of this platform before you can be able to make any deposit. Right, so let's quickly check the exchange rate before we can proceed in making any deposit. Let's go, guys. Over here is the exchange rates of this platform, and as you can see over here, this is USD. Okay, this is USD, so I'm going to check USD to Naira and see how much this platform will be selling $1 to us. Let's go, guys. Let's go and see exchange rate. Now, as you can see here, this platform is selling $1 for 469 Naira. Yes, 469 Naira, which means that this is going to be extremely profitable. Right, 469 Naira. Now, we are going to be making use of $700 in today's arbitrage, so which means we are going to be depositing $700 in this arbitrage. So we're going to calculate and see $700 how much it's going to be in Naira, so we can be able to write down and know our capital. So let's go, guys. So the platform is selling 769, right? So we are going to be using $700 for our capital. So for $700, our capital in Naira is going to be 328,300 Naira. So write it down somewhere so you always follow. Let's go, guys. So the next thing we are going to do, since we have checked the exchange rate and see that it's profitable, we are going to click on transfer. Okay, over here we're going to click on transfer. So once you click on transfer, it is going to bring you over here for you to fill in your details and the amount you are going to be using for this arbitrage, or the amount you are going to be depositing in this arbitrage. So once you must have filled in your details and the amount we'll be using, the next thing you have to do is to click on continue. Right over here, click on continue over here. Once you click on continue, it is going to bring out an account details in which you are going to transfer the sum of 328,300 Naira into that account number. All right, it's going to bring out a local bank account details which you are going to transfer that money into that account, and once you made the payment into the account, they are going to credit your balance in the platform. All right, so let's say we must have transferred the money into the bank and they must have credited our account. The next thing we are going to do is to transfer the fund to the second person that we are going to engage in this arbitrage with. Okay, so that leads us to the transfer which I said earlier. So let's proceed. Now we have received the money, or we have been credited in our account. The next thing we are going to do is to use the transfer method in order to transfer this money to the second person we are going to be engaging in this arbitrage with. Right, and what we are going to be making use of is this option over here, internal transfer. Right, with this internal transfer, we can be able to transfer this money that we have been credited in our account over to the second person that will be engaging in this arbitrage with. So let's go, guys. Now I would want you to click the like button. Like I said earlier, you are going to be getting a whole lot of value in today's video. Right, click the like button, and if you are still here to subscribe to the channel, do it to join this family by smashing that subscription button. Let's go, guys. Now once you click on the internal transfer, you are going to select your account over here, which is very standard. Right, now you are going to transfer to another client, which is this one. Right, so you are going to select this one because you are transferring to another client. Right, then choose the recipient. Okay, over here choose the recipient. Now the next thing you are going to do is to type in the amount you will be sending to the second client, right, to the second person you will be engaging in this arbitrage with. So once you must have typed in the amount you will be sending over to the second person you will be engaging in this arbitrage with, the next thing you are going to do is to click on continue, and boom, the money will be transferred into the person's account. Right, now let's say the person must have received this money. Remember, the capital we are going to be making use of is $700, right? So let's say the person must have received the sum of $700 into his or her trading account. So what the person is going to do is to withdraw this money down to his or her local bank account. Right, once this person must have gotten this money into his local bank account, the next thing the person is going to do is to transfer this money back to you using what? Another platform, which is Binance, right? So let's quickly go into Binance. Now I'm in my Binance account. Now let's say the person must have received this money in his or her local bank account. What the person is going to do is to come over to Binance and make a purchase of USDT worth of $700. So which means that this person is going to be purchasing 700 USDT. All right, 700 USDT. Now let's say the person must have sent the 700 USDT to me using Binance, right? And I've received the 700 USDT. The next thing I'm going to do is to sell this 700 USD. All right. So I'm in P2P trade. So I'm going to click over here, which is sell, in order to sell this 700 USD and see how much we are going to be making in this arbitrage, right? So we are going to click on filter. Okay. We're going to click on filter because all these merchants, their limit is starting from 5 million, right? And of course, $700, you can be getting up to 5 million naira for $700, right? So we are going to be using filter to change the amount. So let's say 100,000. Okay, click on confirm, right? So we're going to just choose a random merchant over here in order to sell our USD. Right now, the person must have sent the 700 USD to us, 700 USD. Now, for 700 USDT, we are going to be getting the sum of 516,999 naira. Remember, our capital is 328,300 naira, okay? And we are going to be making 516,999 naira. So we are going to quickly go to my calculator and see how much we are going to be making per trade, right? Per trade. Let's go, guys. Now, how much we are going to be making after selling the USDT is 516,999, okay? And we're going to be minusing our capital, which is 328,300. So we are going to get a whooping 188,699. 188,699. Like I said earlier, you are going to be getting a whole lot of value in today's video, right? Go ahead and smash the like button of this video to show appreciation. Yes, go ahead and click the like button of this video to show appreciation. And if you are still here to subscribe to this channel, I still don't know what you're waiting for. Join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and click that subscription button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime I drop awesome content just like this one you are watching. Now remember, since we are making use of transfer method, you are going to participate in this arbitrage countless time. All right, countless times. So this arbitrage is unlimited. All right, now this is just for a trade. This is how much you are going to be making per trade. So let's say you are going to trade for like 4 times, or let's say 3 times in a day. You are going to be making a whooping 566,000 naira in a single day, guys. In a single day. This is absolutely profitable. I would want you to jump into this and make a whole lot of money for yourself, right? I want you to keep winning and know that Leo loves you. See you guys on my next video. Bye.